Welcome once again to Aussie Couple Hawaii. Thanks for joining us on this walk to Aloha IceLabs, which is located at the end of Duke's Lane. So come along with us, see where it's located, and thank you for watching. Sushi in there too, Alli. Let's come back at some stage and walk through there as well.
Next up, going to be Honolulu.
I don't think I've ever actually seen them reasonably full. It's also where Duke's is, Hula Grill, Blue Note. There's a lot in there. Good food, good entertainment. And it was a beautiful hotel. You can see the walk around in our videos.
spent a lot of money. For 40% off. No?
Not today.
Oh, I got it.
He tried, yeah.
This is super cute.
That's super cute.
Oh, it's mixed. Let's go back. I think mine was thinner than that.
Forgot we got steak.
So today we got Duke's Rainbow Shaved Ice from Aloha IceLabs. It's a little stall down Duke's Lane. We had this a couple of times last time we were here, and it is seriously so good.
I reckon it's great. I reckon it's as good as all the other
Same.
ice places.
And they're a reasonable price. I think it cost, we got 2 of these and it was like $20.60. So, and this one has the extra of ice cream in the middle, condensed milk on the top. It's great.
Okay, it's time to enjoy.
As Ali said, we highly rate this place. We've had it several times now. I'd probably always grab it when I go past. It's right next to Beachcomber, so easy access. There's lots of great shave ice places on the island. We have more places to show, which are also coming up. as well as a hell of a lot more hotels, including Disney in Hawaii, Ulani, Disney Overseas, Universal, Mexico, you name it. We've got a lot coming, Florida, so stay tuned. We're going to be all over the place, but as always, Hawaii is our specialty. That's what we love the most, and that's what we want to focus on. So thank you. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.